is awesome. Got 15 volts in. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait around here. When I get it going, I'm gonna set on this coil. I'm gonna get this coil going again. I'm trying to get it done and get it in this wheel. See, I'm experimenting with some blocks and stuff. We'll get the next coil up here. Seeing if I can't get this off of here. Most of it. And then I was thinking like this one on top of this one. Or I could just 3D print one, but then we'd have to wait.
What's up?
Hey, what's up? We're just waiting to turn this thing on, waiting for somebody that wants to see it, and we're gonna turn it on here. Here we go.
And it's Kyle.
What's up, Pete? Cal? What's up, my brother? Look at that torque on that. That is freaking awesome. Whoosh, whoosh.
Good to see your writing. Good to hear.
How's your finger doing? Did you get to keep your nail? Yeah.
Good.
Awesome. But when I saw it online, I'm not so sure.
Okay, yeah, no doubt, Lily.
Alright, so I'm gonna get that tack strip off the ground. Whoa.
What up, Roblox tags, dude? That's an interesting username.
Alright, we got it.
Yeah, I'm sorry you went through that. I've had one experience like that, but it was at an old Radio Shack, and it was just a bar with a bunch of outlets in it, and I just got.
Look at how fast that's going already. And all I did was add one more toroid magnet to the stack right there. Hello? Hi, Roblox. Sorry, I was on the ground picking up this piece of tinfoil that I'm going to put on this wheel right here. We'll get some readings off of it. But this one over here is what I really want to have some ideas thrown on about, because it's a closed loop, and it goes this way with the pulse, so it moves that way naturally. there it goes.
So there's a pulse. There's a coil underneath, and I see what you. I got it. Got a coil right there.
So like, one coil generates more electricity, and the other one. Well, if you put electricity through a thicker wire, what happens? It goes through the wire easier, doesn't it? Like it goes, it's easier for it to do, so you need less of it. But you open the floodgates for the current.
Yep, you got it.
Okay. But the idea is to see how long we can get this one to spin for. Right? So we're going generate into thinner wire. I have 2 diodes hooked up on there. One
Yeah,
that leads-
there's a lot going on here.
Yeah. Yeah, I noticed that. So much to do.
Yeah, beer 30, no doubt.
So I'm gonna stop this real quick.
Beat 'em, learn 'em. Beat 'em, lead 'em, R-U-N. That's the one.
Alright, so, and then watch this. Look at that, man. And like, I'm guaranteeing you, if it was just one magnet on there, it would go all the way around. Or something like that. Huh. See you later, Roblox. Bye.
Come back anytime.
That's good. So, at 15 volts in, we're drawing half an amp, 0.5 amps. We're getting that speed off of it. But we're feeding that into 16 gauge 250 turns. So that's right here. And 200 turns of 24 gauge in this coil. 200 turns of 24 gauge in this coil. And then when it's stretched out over 3 coils, actually drops the amp draw by a lot. Because I haven't even tested turning it up to 15 volts with just the 16 gauge coil. I don't even want to try, really. It's ridiculous amount of ampage that I don't need to use. Because look at it with the way I have it hooked up. It's like great. You know?
No, that's all good, Kale. If you go back to the origins of this channel, you will only find video games.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, I love it too, man. It's so
Hey,
cool.
what's up, man? Sky Biddy. Oh, Wild Font. Sigma. What's up?
What is going on? All right, so hold on. SOFTRS. My man.
Look at how fast
Or
it's
my
going
human,
again.
I should
That's
say.
freaking awesome. I'm gonna go get my tachometer.
I'm gonna try and get a.
All right, bro.
Yep.
Huh? No. 1, 2, 3. That's awesome. 1, 2, 3.3.
What do you? Yeah,
Wow.
keep it respectful, man.
Yeah, what the hell's wrong with you? Seriously, man.
You got storms going on.
All right, that's all right. I
Let it
like
go.
rain.
Let it go. That's just it happens.
So we block it.
And calm out. Yeah, we'll block that kind of stuff. Yeah, we love hail. Oh, kale. Kale storm.
All right, straight up and down.
That was a good one.
So I'm thinking that when I add this coil to the rotor up there, that this one will end up going like 250.
Thanks, Cal.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, let's come together as a community and let them know what we think about people like that.
Well, hi.
Hi.
Okay, my man. Caleb. Awesome. It's going up pretty fast.
What do you got?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
So it's not 200 yet, but if you leave it running, it'll definitely reach up to 200. I hope, anyway.
That's going fast.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. 181. That's awesome. It's going to hit 200, maybe 250 before I have to turn it up. All right, but hey, the other thing that we got
Try
to
it.
look up,
Try on that.
I don't have any tinfoil on that one just yet. But we can also run a load like a light, and the motor will continue to spin. You want to get a piece of tinfoil?
Sure.
Okay. Awesome. We're gonna tack strip up on that one up there.
Which one do you want me to do? I'm gonna report this guy too. Hate speech.
Yeah.
Report. Okay. I hope everybody saw that. So I'm just gonna kind of like wait. All right. Can we boot this guy? Let's figure this out. We can remove his post. Put user in timeout.
Hide user from the channel.
Boom. All right, we got it. We'll figure it out. Thank you, guys. We'll be a little more proactive on that next time.
All right, yeah. That's the first time I've ever had to do something like that. So I apologize to anybody who was offended. I apologize to anybody who's offended about what we did. But, you know, we got to do something. I can't just let that happen on my channel. That's not right. I can't let that happen in my vision.
Yeah.
Peripheral vision even. You know, I can't deal with that. Got a few choice words I'd like to say right now, but I'm going to hold back.
Yes, please troll from a technical standpoint. Bring it on. What do you got? We got a lot going on here, too.
Tinfoil.
Awesome, baby. Thank you. All right, let's stop it. Here, let's
Okay, cool.
see how much torque we got on this one.
That hurt.
No, but that was quite a. I had to squeeze pretty hard.
So we're gonna.
Oh yeah, check that one out. Oh, here he is again. All right.
I'm sorry, man. That is not even cool, dude. Man,
That one's going pretty fast, actually.
I'm just. What's so funny is the persistence.
The tinfoil's not
I
going too
know.
slow.
It's
It's
weird.
going fast.
That's a weird one.
Yeah, I don't understand. It's obviously, somebody doesn't get it. Maybe a fruit.
Let's try to glue it.
I'm not good at insulting people, so I don't.
So Toasty said, looks like you're having a blast experimenting with magnetic fields.
Yes, absolutely.
I got the thing, they gotta
Toasty.
see.
All right, good.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, magnetic fields, coils specifically. Every single coil on this thing is different, and
So
been
we're
experimented in different ways.
Spin that.
Yeah, we're gonna get it going again. I'm just making sure that's on there.
Yeah, because it might fly off and hit one of our
All right,
pieces.
so nice gentle spin. Watch this.
So it's gonna keep going.
Oh yeah, it's gonna keep going.
That uses that machine. Well, that thing's on.
As soon as I get more. Oh really?
Yep, they're just coming in. It's happening. It's all good.
Okay. Wow.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, something did change though.
We got the membership
Membership.
monetization. That's what's going on. So we're getting more pushing.
We got it. That's spinning. Pretty low.
I know, right? Where are they
Maybe.
coming from?
Try it
Right.
now. Try it now.
They're coming out of the woodwork.
That thing's what? 29.
621.4.
629.4.
No.
All right, that sounds good.
621.4.
Okay, that's going fast then.
It's so smooth, man. This thing is so like epically.
How many
What are you
volts
doing?
in, bro? Let's see. Oh, right here.
Stop.
That's still fast.
It
Yeah.
doesn't need you to help it along, dude.
Let it. Oh, look at this. Look at the brightness. But yep,
Back up.
let the master work. But you're learning. You're able to
Now see what I
talk about it
noticed.
more than I can.
Go stand over there with Chris.
Yep.
What I've noticed, and let me stop this thing. When it passes, I need you to stay over there, Caleb. When it passes and then it blinks twice. You see that? 1, 2.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
1, 2. So we're gonna put coils like right here at all 4 cardinal directions, and see if we can double that, that interaction, because that definitely opens the switch a second time.
There it is. I got it.
No, there's only one. Oh no.
Just keep going. I got it.
There's only one strip on here.
Oh, the rod in the middle.
Let me go back to that. There it was.
The last live stream, we did this.
Oh, RPM per volt. I see what it is there. Yeah, that's probably right.
Oh, RPM per volt. Okay.
You guys have to make it
Yeah,
fast.
because I showed him this. I showed him the input.
Yeah, that seems about right.
Everyone's spinning. That one is, that one is,
Servos?
I'll spin that one. I'll spin this one.
Okay. How much? What is?
Go ahead. What is a servos, Toasty?
Oh, they rate those in kilovolts. Okay. 1,000 RPM per volt. Holy mackerel.
That's going fast.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's going the other way today.
Okay, got it.
That's pretty fast, man.
You're
That's-
you're gonna
that-
you're
that's
gonna
a
give
very
him more
fast-
ideas,
It looks
man.
like it's going the other way.
I think that that is definitely, is that like a homemade thing? Toasty? Or is that something you buy at a store or get out of a military surplus?
Kale. There you go.
I'm
Okay, so you just got a tinker
Yeah.
space.
You got your hands on not only the knowledge to do it, but stuff you can do it with.
Nice.
That's awesome, man.
Dad, instead of DR, RC. I'm in DC.
Okay, did you put that in the trash? Thank you.
Did you like?
This one back in the
No, I'm not. I can't say it.
You bored? Hey,
What?
can you go outside?
Why?
That's right. You
I'm not doing it. I want to stay in here.
Please don't sit on the chair.
You want me to stay here?
Well, because my coil is right there, I don't want you to accidentally hit any buttons
I'm not going to.
or touch it in any kind of way.
I'm not going
All right. All right. Could you sit there and be cool?
Yeah.
All right. Awesome.
Hey everybody, if you guys got a question, drop it. Like and subscribe, and let us know what's on your mind.
Yeah, this right here is 100 watt, 1000 watt equivalent LED for metal halide. Equivalent bulb. And I'm thinking there's about 20 volts or so going into this one. 20 or so volts. I know that it gets up to about 170 volts in the loop. But I got it all hooked up to that wheel right now. And I really want to work on that to see, how long we can get it to spin for on its own voltage. Anybody want to know what this is?
It's a sideways pulse motor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's pretty cool, Toasty. That makes perfect sense.
That is very cool.
You want me to spin it?
You have any
Yeah.
thoughts on humanoid robots? Nice spin.
And we can also check how fast it's going.
All right. Nice.
Oh, that's awesome, man. That is so sweet. So what do you think about what I got going on here for like a homemade toy, basically, that explores ideas and everything else?
So we gotta turn that on to power this.
No, that one is powering this one and the light right now.
So that one.
This one is hooked to these two things.
There's all kinds of stuff going on here, Caleb. I don't even know.
That's hooked up to itself. Yeah.
This one's independent.
Yeah.
These two are together.
I thought this connects to there.
Yep, that one's connected to there, but that's not a that's a multimeter.
So we gotta turn that on to spin it.
Nope, it just
So-
registers the voltage.
Kindred spirit.
It's starting to slow down, so I'm gonna slow it down.
I'm not sure what you're trying to accomplish. Heck yeah, that's exactly.
That's it.
This aimless
Can
stuff that
Yeah,
we're
here, hold it.
actually
Don't
discovering.
press anything with
Like,
mine.
I haven't looked up a single thing.
Give me that.
Except the only like guidance that I've had is from YouTube. And I've considered myself very lucky. I've been shocked like 4 times with this generator circuit, and it's hot.
And we're totally
So
doing active
what I've been
moderation.
trying for the longest time is to get a pulse motor to have enough electricity generated to run another pulse motor. And now that I've got that one done, we're expanding from there. That actually took me a couple of years to get it right because I never had enough juice to make it work, or some component wasn't hooked up right. But I finally got it all hooked up right, and it's working like a charm. It's actually going pretty fast considering it's in a loop.
We got a new comment.
Ah, here we are.
A lot of new comments.
Yeah. All right, let's address all that.
Do you want me to do that one?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm doing, Toasty.
Okay.
It's more of a transformer than anything else. All it is a short amount of copper stacked on one side and larger amounts of copper stacked on the other side. I was shocked when I opened up the electric bill. Oh man. You need to go scroll back up. Okay, yeah. What did 00 say?
He said he was shocked. A couple of times today, tapping the power on my coil.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a coil over there, there's coils over there, coils over there.
Yeah, it truly does feel like sticking your finger in a light socket.
We got a
If
bunch.
you've ever done that before.
We have a bunch of coils.
100 loops on the A, 200 on B, 200% voltage gain, and 50% current drop. Okay, so the mathematics piece.
So is this powering this right now?
Just hold on, Caleb. Let me explain the generator circuit here. You got 3 strands of 24, 4 strands of 26, and 2 strands of 30 in each one of these coils right here. So that's 1,800 turns a piece, but they're all different. And then this is a single strand coil of 32 gauge at 10,500 turns. This is 20 gauge, 666 turns. And this is 32 gauge, 22,000 turns. And that, it's so like, it's a combination of thicker wire and cores and thinner wire. But yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a, I mean, if we do it by weight, then we can definitely get a square number of how much voltage the increase is.
And we've had a lot of learnings about surviving heat, for sure.
Well, let me feel this one. Yeah, it's still cool.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. And you know, that's, like you said, it was,
I can feel wind from there.
wow, that's still spinning. Is that from when you spun it, Caleb?
No, I spun it again.
Oh, you spun it again.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna jack up the voltage a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, let's go higher. Now we can use the thing that puts the red dot on there. We can see how fast it's going after that. Yeah, it's going faster. I can already see it.
Interesting.
That's going.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go away from it because I'm scared.
Wow, it's bowling the steel rod. Hot. I'm gonna cut it down. It is showing its imbalance above 17 volts. But I can even see this one was going like extremely fast, more fast. All right, where did I leave off?
I think there.
Okay.
That's me now.
Survive heat, and then hold on.
Yeah, that's what it was. I didn't have enough amps to make anything work.
I must do this one more time.
So
So the part about the fuse, that part I'm on right now.
just like if you don't put a fuse in your components will self-select replacement fuse automatically. I see what you're saying.
That makes so much sense.
I want that to do like that.
You might want to add top support for the shaft.
Yeah, I'm not an engineer. I've been thinking for years about how to make a top support, and I haven't come up with a design that I feel like I should waste my time with yet. But yeah, it definitely needs a top support. I just haven't figured out.
Yep, for sure.
Yeah.
There we go. Didn't you try something like that?
What?
The C-shaped bracket? Oh no, you were using
C-shaped bracket with bearing.
for top support. So we'll look at that. And that's the benefit.
Yeah, but what is it going to be hooked to? Like, is it going to be hooked to that piece of plywood right there? On the top? I mean, what is it? I understand that, but it's the support that I'm having trouble with.
Like the bracket would be fastened to the board and then up around the top.
How big is that? The green one.
Window frame. That's what I'm trying to say. Over. So you had the right idea with the bungee cord, but we can actually build some fixture for it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and you know how I was like saying, yeah, we'll look at different materials also for
So
this.
you're talking like acrylic, basically acrylic or metal.
Yep.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is all pretty much 3D printed except for the base here. I've got this base is 3D printed.
With the board under.
We've just been dabbling into that thought about going metals.
Spin this one more time.
Here, you want to hold this? Yeah, go ahead and spin it. Nice spin it.
Strong spin.
And then I'm gonna keep an eye on the because we gotta moderate.
Wow, that is very
Oh,
nice.
what is he doing?
This is a lathe bar of some kind, and I was thinking about using it as a core as well. So we have three
Just like that
solid
one.
iron cores. What's up, little bits? Hey, little bits. Welcome. Welcome back.
We're at some more comments here.
Oh,
How much one do you use to zoom in?
so,
We're okay.
oh, okay. Right here, Caleb.
Right on the right. Yep, you got it.
This is a hydro
Can I hold it?
air design. So it's an air turbine, water turbine. Moves pretty good under the 2 horsepower shop vac. Yeah, you can hold that. Now, this is a rod that it's hooked up on right now. And what I was thinking is, these are tubes. These aluminum tubes. I was thinking about having each one of these openings connect to this tube. Put the tube in the middle and have the fluid or the air be forced out through the tube
Okay.
through centrifugal force. Kind of like the hydro turbine from Tesla.
The first time we tried it,
And
water came out of it.
yeah, we put it in the sink and it worked pretty good. We had it prepped up on some bearings and it worked nice. Works way better with the air though.
Yeah, because the 2 fans weren't able to push it as fast.
Oh no, so no, it's not literally making a hole for each one. It's redesigning it so you only have to make like say 3 holes or 3 dashes in the tube, and you're incorporating all of the different sections. Into being forced into the tube. So you don't need to make 20 holes to get all the things incorporated in there. And this would be a prototype. This is just a general idea. These would of course be redesigned so that the holes would fit. And they would like be connected in a way that it would be forced into the tube. At least that's the general idea, considering that it's only a 1/4 inch hole.
We got it.
So there'd be like 3 gashes in it.
Hola, Enrique.
Hola. But yeah, it's got to be open enough for the air to flow through the hole. So I already have a few ideas for designs, but anybody have any designs, you know, hook up on the membership and we can talk it over on the Discord. And no. This is just a visualization of how much energy is flowing through this loop at the moment. So it's not infinite energy.
Yeah, we're definitely working on it. Yeah.
This one over here is definitely a just for fun attempt to see how far it will spin on its own energy. There are 2 coils on it. We've got a 38 gauge coil in the back here, and it's hooked up to a 16 gauge coil underneath, and that's hooked up and separated by the reed switch. The manual homemade reed switch is pretty badass. I got some paper clips now.
Yeah, I'm visualizing that, Double O. That seems a little more. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, it'll be like a gathering point for several of the. I don't even know what to call them, man. They're like air pockets, I guess. They're propellers. I don't know what you call these things. What do you call them?
Fan blades?
Yeah, fan blades. That's good. Anyway, these holes that are drilled at the base here are not big enough for anything to work right.
Okay.
And it's really got to go through the center. It can't be like, and that was just an experiment to see if I could get it to do that. But they really got to go down into this material and be, guided. And then definitely, what you were talking about, the elbow, to take it from the end of the tube here and to reuse everything that's being forced out through centrifugal force increases the efficiency drastically.
And then you said you just got paper clips over here.
Yeah, so I'm going to make some new switches using the paper clips. We're still going to have our copper ring, the round part, but instead of using copper as the contact, or the little reed that goes back and forth, I'm going to use a paper clip. Because the paper clip's magnetic, and that way I don't have to mess around with that screw that keeps popping out.
Yeah, I want to see those videos, Gato. You got some of the coolest videos I've seen, dude.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh.
Yeah, and
Ow, ow. I got an ankle biter.
all right. So that's anyway. That's something that I was working on. That's all. That's so cool. I've never seen this one move this fast. Where is this thing? Here it is.
Ow. You're having fun, aren't you? Come here, I'm gonna pick you up.
Wow, dude. 384. That's so fast. Don't want any magnets to fly off of there.
I like that, Gal. Yeah. And we're working on the pulse motor Mayhem. Nice. Yeah. I saw what you were doing a couple months ago, so I'd be eager to see what you got going on now. You put that one on there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good job, Karen.
Oh, that's my favorite
Yeah,
short.
put that away and then take Tiggs out.
That's my favorite short. I had to find it because it wasn't on my tablet for some reason.
I'm sure there's a ratio here.
I just gotta keep scrolling. Things. No, come here. No.
Wow. 665.5.
665.5.
Yep.
This one. So
Let's go back to what we were doing.
208.
208. So that's like close to a third. A little less than a third. I know there's probably not a calculate, or there might even be a calculation to get to that.
I think this thing is just stupid.
But their weight and thickness.
210.2. Maybe it's because we're using tinfoil. Wow, this says 1333. No.
Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by.
Hey, what's up? How's it going, everyone?
Drop a comment if you're curious. Like and subscribe.
$664. Alright, so this over here is a coil that I'm working on, and it is currently, God, what does that say? Alright, it's like, it's close to 9,000 turns right now.
Yeah, that's funny.
Silent majority. Anyway, I think this is tight that we got this light going, and then we got this pulse motor moving that fast with the load on it.
I really like the tiger on your shirt.
Yeah, man. It's awesome.
That's the real deal.
I think there's like policy against engagement.
Oh shit, here we go, yeah. Yeah!
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah, man. Great quality, I thought. It's pretty expensive for a t-shirt, but it's all right.
Oh yeah, that's from Battle Creek, Michigan. Okay. Or wait, hold on. Is it Kellogg's or Post?
Kellogg.
Tell me. Oh, my bad. Yeah, never mind.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes?
Yeah, so that's from Battle Creek. Yep.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. All right, so I'm gonna turn off the
No
light.
doubt.
I'm gonna turn off the load light. And we're gonna see if we can't get this thing going any faster than it's going.
It wasn't always that way. They actually used to put him in good commercials. And people wanted it, wanted to see it.
Wow, it's sitting at 450. We know that's not right.
Out of here? Nah. No.
Yeah, 207.
Hey, everybody, welcome in.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
We are working with pulse motors here. If you have any questions, drop them. We have active community, active knowledgeable people in the chat. So and we're
All right, so let me explain the copper. The amount of copper on the drive circuit is 250 turns here, 200 turns here, and 200 turns here. And that's it. We got the main drive coil at 16. Caleb.
What? What? You gonna show me something?
Awesome. Totally awesome. All right, and then on this side of the drive coil, so we have basically 600 turns on the drive side, 16 gauge coil for the main drive, and 2 pickup coils at 24 gauge. Then we have 3 24 gauge strands at 200, 4 26 gauge strands at 200, and then 2 30 gauge strands at 200. So that's 1800 turns per coil with quasi good amp flow, current flow. Then we go to a 32 gauge coil. That's 10,500 turns. And then a 20 gauge coil with 666 turns. And then a 22 gauge, 32 gauge coil that's 22,000 turns. And all these have a core. Whoa. All these right here have a core. These are solid iron cores, and this was a core that I made from iron filing. The main drive has a core of iron filings.
can barely make it out, but yeah, that's a transparent tube there.
So this generator transformer, it's really a transformer. It takes the little bit that puts the voltage in through here, turns it into kinetic energy, and then spits it out the other side. And depending on how much turns you have on the other side, it's like you get a ratio of how much energy. And sometimes it even looks like it's over unity, but it's not. It's just the fact that you have more copper, more turns on the generator side than you do on the drive side. And I'm not saying that I really can't say that this stuff isn't possible. I'm just saying that nobody's really like done it yet to like my satisfactory. Like, to use the word free requires a lot of stipulation, like a lot of check marks. If you don't meet these check marks, then it's not free, kind of thing. And it gets pretty ridiculous at times, sometimes. there's no like written, well, there probably is, I don't know. I mean, free is a very capitalistic word.
We are money free.
No, I would like say exponential gain, but that's transformer right there. You get exponential gain from what you put in, but it's only because of what I described earlier. We've set it up that way.
That's right. And I'm not talking about free money. Yeah, I love how you know, the ingenuity that you guys have
Put forth.
to create these working pieces of art, including the quarters, guys. That's pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna unlock the door real quick. Alright. That's cool. So, trying to think if there's anything else I wanna on this, and regarding this contraption right here, I don't know if it works at all, let alone like just elongate the time it spins for. If it does that, I'm pretty happy with it, but I'm not sure. So it's up to around 5 volts, but it always stops. Whether or not it's going to stop isn't the point. But yeah, come and get the readings on the multimeter.
That's right. The price is right. The price is right. Wheel.
So the slower it spins, the less energy it generates. But I'm just, even like 2 volts going through that wire on the bottom there should get some kind of reaction from the wheel. You know what I'm trying to say? Or does it not work that way? I have diodes on there that would suggest that it should work that way. Now it dwindles down because, of course, that's what it does. There's loss, lots of loss. Every single magnet pass, actually. And it's all probably in the magnetic, or in the induction switch right there. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to finish wrapping up that coil. I'm gonna stuff a core in it, and I'm gonna put it on this wheel. I'm gonna put as many as will fit. I think 2 more will fit for magnets and an offset. I could probably fit a couple coils on there. And then I definitely want to put another coil, you know, the coils that I was suggesting on that pulse motor down there at the, like, the alternate cardinal direction. Just twisting it a little bit. The offset positions.
That's right. So we're just going southwest, northwest,
Yep.
northeast.
Yep.
We're not going to do the south southeast just yet.
Not just yet, and probably gonna have to get smaller coils to make that happen.
Straight up.
I'm just wondering, like, if there's anything else I want to, like, do that I want to mention right now. Like this, I have to redesign the fans, the blades,
Yeah.
to be hollow. So they have to be a little bit thicker. But I love the acrylic discs for, like, to separate them and to catch all the stuff, catch the wind, you know, the rotor blades. Anyway, that's pretty good. So I wish I could get a better reading off of the tack meter for that, for both. You know, I got some iffy readings. I'm not gonna do it again because I know they're not gonna be any better. We'll try it again some other time. Anyway, thank you very much all for coming by. I really appreciate you. Please like, subscribe, join the membership program, and share your ideas on our Discord. Love you, man. Peace out, guys. Bye now.